Okay, guys. Hi, and wake up. My name is Vaida, and I was thinking all the time to skip actually who I am, my background, and I'm gonna try to present myself through one idea, which is called Solitude Corridors. I love buildings and spaces, so Solitude Corridors is actually an idea to push space renting boundaries. In fact, as we know, all buildings on Earth that exist cannot be rented 100%. There is always this little secret gap, which is 10–20% that cannot be rented. So one day I came up with this face, say, okay guys, what if we're gonna rent that unrentable gap? But before that, let's identify what is it. Probably you're thinking, what the fuck she's talking now? Let's take a typical house. Let's take one typical floor out, split it, and in gray color, squares are identifying rentable spaces, and orange bit is this corridor, is like a social bit which cannot be rented, which can be as well like corridors, lifts, toilets, shafts, corners, like anything, and everything. So let's rent unrentable space, and let's make obviously more money for any landlord on Earth. By doing that, we can, I was thinking, let's make an event. How can I rent the space? What can I put in there? So I thought to bring some activities transferred from the local area where the house is standing, and bring the activity which is there. And what is the activity? What is the activity? Let's find the activity which is happening as well in like social spaces, which is secret, likewise corridors in the house, which can be hidden too. So this is like typical map in London of typical area in Soho. And I've been looking there in those activities. I highlighted orange corridors, like corridors, I'm calling, sorry, streets, where I found like really ordinary and boring things happening, like walking a dog, writing stories, people are like reading, like swimming, doing, you know, like usual things. So what I did was I married activity happening in the street, and I brought the activity in that hidden corner. So what I got, swimming in the corners, or corridors and balconies. I poured water in the balcony, so it became like an event where people can book space online, and it's very like anonymous experience, so nobody knows where you're going. It's all about secrets, because secrets is the best thing to sell anything and everything. So swimming in corridors, we have like fast lanes, slow lanes, medium lanes, whatever you want. We give a branded experience for example, fast lane, you might need like an accessory which is 15 minutes, so that means you're swimming for 15 minutes there. Next activity was writing, and I get writing a diary in the toilet. The background was for this little idea. In offices, lots of things happens, like dramas, romances, and people can't tell stories live for their wives or something. So I thought, okay, let's bring that secret activity which is happening in the street and bring to the house. And so when someone comes in the toilet, let's say, they can write, they get an iPad, which is like hidden in the tiles, and they write the story. They write the story, and me, being from Solitude Corridors brand, I pick that story, and I can share with theaters, local theaters, and let them use the information, and maybe like create a new scripts for new events. yeah, so working, people are working. So I have office in the corridor, which you get headphones for 30 minutes, anonymous working. So again, lots of people are traveling, and they're like, you know, find that app and go to do some secret work, or not secret, whatever, like just important things. And that's kind of it about people. I just stepped like one step further, thinking, what if animals, what can we do with animals? Because people are walking the dogs and so on. Let's bring that activity to the street. Let's rent that space. So I came up with this dog walking in the hidden alleyways. What if we could rent an alleyway to walk a dog? In London, I found there is no spaces to walk animals. So I thought, let's put like a design-wise a long speed walkway in one of the little streets, like one in the airport you have. So you can make a good use for your pet. And while you're doing that, you obviously rent a space online, do your booking, and get a poo bag branded accessories. So you go there, you have 15 minutes, and you're done. And that's it. Like in the end, I have a happy client. So as I mentioned, client can be from anywhere in the world, and he used 100% of the space of the property, and he got a good advertisement, like by using me, my campaign. And all ideas that I just presented are really organic, and it's like a virus, actually. There is no specific combination, so every building is really unique, because every city is like having different characters, so the story to be continued. Thank you.